lesson number 3 in this topic number 3, which is about understanding your business. We're going to look at what we call a business model canvas. Guys, it is starting today. Lesson number 3 is really a business model canvas. What is it? This terminology should not be new to you or surprise you or scare you. A business model canvas is simply your business model, which we have just discussed, your business plan, which we have just discussed. When it is summarized and put on one page, it's called a business model canvas. Now, entrepreneurs like Alexander, a squeeze entrepreneur, and others have popularized this methodology of summarizing, condensing your business plan on one page so that we can easily grasp a business, no matter how broad it is, on just one page. It helps us in many ways. We shall cover these in other courses, like especially courses of how to pitch our business and get funded. That's an important course you may not want to miss, because I will really get whatever you're going to formulate here and show you how to actually get funded. These are things I have made. I have pitched and won funding more than 7 times, and I have taught others to win funding more than 12 times. I know how to pitch a business in the shortest possible time, and I know how to convince funders and stakeholders that this is the right idea to invest in. I'll teach you that also in other courses. Just 9 boxes that summarizes 9 parts of your business, starting with your value proposition, which we talked about, but also it will include other boxes like the key resources that you will need, the people that you will work with, the channels that you will use to deliver your solution or to communicate with your clients, how you will make money and get paid or how much, and the key partners you will work with. You look at the notes, you look at the text. I've shared the boxes, I've shared all the 9 boxes and showed you by example of this course how I can fill each of the boxes. Now I want you to look at the boxes, the 9 boxes, and then use your idea which you generated in topic number 2 and fill those 9 boxes.